should be the approach? Go home. As much as you are cautious, no, except you should also what entertain the people. At the back of Ghana, where your mentality near weakness, yes, one go pay, then we relax. And that is the DNA of the Ghanaian people. We are not forceful in life. We don't push. And it's not be a team yes or no. Hello, hi, Xposed. The name is Bambro. Subscribe, share. Me to man now on Sa Akabi. Ghana, your football team back up. I know any Black Star, Umpo, and no any war. Nine no ball. Me do man yard, one must go. And one here 3 points, and one here. Now go there by no. Me be say you corner for here, and you beautiful go, and you will work out. Young go numbra. The nation's pride, and any Mali boy. Me say, ever do end in na Ghana need defend and no boom, no boom. The shape of the team na collapse. Me say do I be na? Your friend say, yeah. Thomas Patebi say, where is the shape of the team? Ghana will sink very low. Only maybe last time you had a chat about 1-1, and I said, has Ghana sunk so low? Says Sabi. Yani on mind to say Mali, almost you so baba bobola. Na ya ho pray. Coach no yade. In the time na Sabi, esa your friend say, or your Chinese no akoyi your two best people. Kudus, other no hold the ball, on na Mali for you, so until no memu sa no. We me coach ba me hu. Or you Kudus ba no be a flat gate no. And on Sanko Jordan you. Jordan, people don't know the role that Jordan plays. Jordan anka ende na or woman anka enye gidizao or someone ma eso channel free kick. Releasing pressure from the team. Otado appointing or you Kudus. Anyway no kafa Suleiman Kamadin was sa what to make a continue to be. You see, we should stop being political about this team. My for politics in here, some people in the team, they don't deserve to be in the team. So the man, we know why that guy has been given time and time again. Even what local players are 10 times better than Suleiman. He doesn't add anything to the team when he's playing. Now when you and I'm Mali coach, or because I'm Mali coach, or Ghana job, you go to anymore.
They played with 5 people. We knew they played against Madagascar, also with 5 in the back. They won, I think, 3-0 that game. But we expected a Ghana what would be more offensive. If you have the power of Semenya, Addo, Kudus, Williams, and all the attacking wingbacks, you could punish us in the first half with very offensive play at home, get the public behind you. That was our thought. I thought Ghana will start very aggressive attacking football against us to kill us in the first 15 minutes at home, for sure, after the not so good performance against Chad. So I was surprised that they started a little bit conservative with 5 people in the back. And so we had to adapt in it. We didn't expect it.
So I know a full interview no who here. Was on a Black Star, ya approachino, normally the Kasan Kometeki. In terms of tactics, the Malian coach did well. Yes, and I'll prove it to you. Ghana, we are playing ball home. We don't really need the win too much. We need even the draw would have still maintained us at the top. Because here I can say, yeah, the second one moved by M said 3 points, also 4 points. I start to be corrected. And see, we are up there like 3 points. Yeah, we have 19. Comoros are 16. And by nature, no, what should be the approach? Oh, go home. As much as you are cautious, no, except you should also entertain the people. Ade ba ko Ghana ho your mentality near weakness say yes one go pay then we relax. And that is the DNA of the Ghanaian people. We are not forceful in life. We don't push. And it's not be a so no. You're pushing and you're forceful in life. And can confirm it to be the president of Ghana. I'm telling you. It's who say yes, one go and I'm sick way. Pressure there, so no. And now I'm checking my pressure. I'm 200. Ghana bought me baby. What's your samsa? After all my children, and your boom. As if said, we are clueless. Ghana, I find the Brazilians of Africa, and they are boom boom ball. Team, no keeper, no say no. We don't have a keeper. No, Massa, my sentiments in Finchain. Benjamin sorry, on your World Cup keeper. You go back keeper. Or to do not one. One Nicky coach say you didn't go World Cup. Only information be out. Wing backs and where were they? Pencil to bench. Now we see what the wire ball, Sammy no air ball, wing back will say, Jordan. Please. And kudus back. We kudus na Sibo get new guy now, and I say maintain you know. Thomas Pate, ne pass the crown and go through. Say Thomas Pate, say you know, could you say like you are going to had a yen fit him for now. Because I didn't see what he was playing. He was like a passing guy in the game. Ghana, maybe I shall buy many. Meaning so they were near Gia. Maybe many because the kind of ball, the kind of enthusiasm that I know the Black Stars with. And you know, by the fans, I know any war. What happened there? They ever could be. To one passport, no copy. I suppose you have a subscribe share. We need to announce like a man.